Hey everybody, I thought I'd make this video about the screen, the phone I've been meaning to repair for a while now. This is my father's friend's phone and brought it in for repair. Galaxy Grand Prime. It's a Galaxy Grand Prime, you son of a bitch. It's a Galaxy Grand Prime phone. Straight talk phone. And here we have, I pulled the screen off because the screen and digitizer is broken. I ordered a new screen and digitizer display for it. So I have it in the bag to keep dust out of these components. And there's the home button there, supposed to be there. So, as you can see, the whole screen, actually it looks like it hit here. The screen was on there like this, the screen was on like that, and over here was cracked. So, it had some damage at first, and then the guy apparently sat on his phone and it busted the LCD screen. So, yeah. Well, this has been a little video on the damaged screen, so let's take a look at those spider webs. As you can see here, it cracked here, and went up here, went up here. Let's turn this to the side. Yeah, you can see the other spider webs there. It went all the way down here to your touch button panels. Okay, so yes, this is the Galaxy Grand Prime here, and then this is its display. When a new screen comes in, I will make a repair video for you guys. So, aloha, and have a nice day. Hey everybody, we're going to be looking at the replacement screen for the phone that I'm going to repair, and we're going to repair it right here on camera. So, here we have the new replacement screen. So let's get her open. Okay. So we're gonna use a little screwdriver guy to open her up. So we're gonna, man, she's sealed up tighter than a monkey. Okay, so right on the sides, peel down, peel up. Okay. Guys, I hit the button. I don't know where my selfie stick guy went, so I'm doing this hand to hand. So, yeah. So, then there's more tapey guys up here. So we'll just stab through those guys, and then we'll just quickly get it open. Okay. So okay, so there's the box. We'll put it right there. Okay, so now we'll grab this guy out, put him there. Okay, and then we'll peel this guy up, and then we'll open it up. There is our brand new replacement glass, and I'm hoping they're the same. Yep, they're the same glass and screen assembly. So let's put all the junk to the side. Okay, now we're gonna work on the screen. So set you guys down right here. I'm gonna need something to hold you guys up. Use my magno flashlight to hold you ladies up. Okay, hold you guys up while we get the old screen, which is all cracked, and then the new screen, which is in good condition. So now we'll open the guy up. So open him up right here on camera. Okay. Being very gentle, not to damage anything. It's a very fragile part. Okay. And peel him off. And then he's got some adhesive on him, so we'll put him down right there. Okay. Okay, we'll move you guys back. And we got the little screen. So we'll peel him open now. Peel the screen open. Okay, the screen is looking good. And that's where the connector's gotta go. Okay. Oops. So we'll just line up the screen now with the base. I'm just going to do a test lineup here. Okay, so now then, we're going to do this now. So here's the old screen, we'll put him to the side. Oh, shit. Okay, so we're going to pause you guys. Okay guys, we're going to test the screen before we do any reassembly. So, and remove battery. You always want to remove the battery from device when doing any sort of work. You don't want to short stuff out, blow up the phone, especially with a customer's phone. Then it'll be your fault. Okay, so now then, there she be. Okay, so we're going to test the screen out. So, let's get on the way. Whoops. Okay, so. Okay. I know. We can set you guys up on this thing.
Who are you talking to? Don't tell me it's the parts.
I'm talking to the camera. Jesus. Okay, guys, we're gonna put this thing in now. Goes to that little slot right there. See it right there. So we're gonna. Okay, so you're gonna see it come through the little slot. Okay, and then we'll button her down. Then screw assembly is in to position pretty much. So we'll have to clean it up after we're done. So now we're gonna slip battery in. Slip in the battery and then power on. There we go. Galaxy Grand Prime booting up. Looks like sweet like dandy. Sweet. And look, there's the old busted screen. So if you have a phone like this, don't sit on it.
Not if
That's what this customer did, and
not if you're fast.
yeah. And this thing is secured with a pass type code, so we're unable to get into it. But yeah, so we're pretty much dandy here. So let's get. Ooh. Oh, we can't do anything. It's not a touch screen. So now we'll to turn it off now, since we don't have the touch unit on. Take the battery out. Okay. Now then, my cameraman is not ready yet, so we're almost there. So we're gonna pop the screen out.
It's not gonna take long now.
Okay, just hold it like that. Bad kitty. Okay. So now then.
Hold the can. That can. Hold it.
So we're gonna just do a quick fit here. Everything kind of lines up, and so now, guys, this is a very delicate cable. You do not want to tear it. It is extremely delicate. So here we go. Placing connectors into the menieres. Buttoning her down. Oh, didn't go in. Okay. Yeah, if you guys are doing this, do this with a really fine set of tweezers. Okay, and then we'll button her down. Okay. Got her buttoned down. You guys can see that. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to clean the screen up.
Hey, how far are you going?
Okay, guys. Now we're going to peel off this. Okay, well, I'm going to try to see where the tape is. Because there is a protective film on this damn screen. Hold on, we're hot. Okay. There is a type of film on this screen that I don't know what it is. So I'll just remove it. Okay, well then, hold on, ladies and gents. Hold on, ladies and germs. Yeah, the screen doesn't have the little thingy on it. So now we gotta get rid of it. I'm gonna peel that guy off of there. And then, oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna put this guy on the guy and then peel that little protective layer off. Okay. Then we're gonna place him down. Make sure everything lines up yet. Yeah, everything still lines up. Hold on, guys. I need a face wipe. We're sweating beyond profuse. We're puking too. Okay. So now that you got all the veneers in their spots, I guess. So now we'll just line up the connector. Get it through the little guy. Okay, and then we'll wait. Okay, we'll run the guy through the guy. Then we'll pop him into place. Okay. Now for the back panel. Peel off all the adhesive covering plastics. You want to peel off every last one. Okay. 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 So now then. Oh shoot! We can't put this thing back together. Yep, we didn't put the home button back in.
Oh.
Can't forget that.
Can't forget that.
That's right, ladies and germs. Oh shit. The button's falling all over the assholes.
Why don't you stop?
Okay.
And they could see it better too when you're connecting the.
Okay, guys. Well, we got it all buttoned up. So let's do a touch test of the son of a bitch. It's a pain in the bitch to work on, but you know, just put it in, hold it over a burner like that, get it hot, jam stuff under there, and it comes right off. Okay, so we'll button the guy up, and then we'll power the bitch on. And see, she's booting up, nice and sexy. Like, I guess we can take off this guy from the guys. Okay. Do a swipe down, turn on the interwebs. There, man.
Cool.
Okay.
From broken, not usable to usable. Right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, now we'll just do a power off test. And there you go. So we're gonna lift this guy up again. Oops. Gonna lift this guy up again. Okay, we're not quite there yet. Okay. There we go. Now we're gonna lift this guy up. Gonna lift him up. Lift him up. We didn't stick him all the way down yet, so we're still leaving the gold. I'm gonna peel off some of the nasty junk. Okay, well, now we'll just peel. Oops. That is a big pile of baloney. The home button is missing. It's right under there, so we'll kind of sort of get pins out, and then we'll just button this guy back down onto the home button, hold the whole steer of the manure. Okay. So I'll just lift him up. Okay. Get him lined up there. Okay. Now then, give it a good little hits. Now we'll boot her up again. And there we go. She's working beautiful. Working good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little repair. So yeah, it's working. Have a nice day.